Hi everybody, my name is Shadid and I'm a developer advocate at Fauna. Fauna is a distributed database that is designed to make your life easy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would someone like me who's in the databases space would come to a front-end build tool conference like ViteConf? Well, let me break it down for you. Like many of us, I started my career as a front-end developer, and over time, I transitioned into full-stack development. My first full-stack framework was LampStack. For those unfamiliar, LAMP stands for Linux Apache, MySQL, and PHP. The developer experience in the earlier days was not the best. However, things eventually got better. We eventually got awesome backend frameworks like Ruby on Rails, Laravel, Django, Node.js Express, and in the front end, we also got some amazing frameworks that we know and love. Frameworks like React, Vue, Svelte, and front-end tools like Vite. However, along the way, the database world evolved only a little. We still had to worry about database connections, scaling, sharding, schema management, and so on. Sometimes we even had to take a hard look at ourselves before deciding whether to choose SQL or a NoSQL database for a particular problem. That's why at Fauna we decided to build a database without any compromises. A database that has excellent developer experience, is completely serverless, auto scales, and as simple as using an API. We blended the best of both worlds. Fauna gives you the reliability and the data modeling power of a relational SQL database with the flexibility of a NoSQL database. As a cherry on top, we also created a powerful database querying language. It's inspired by JavaScript, TypeScript, and GraphQL. So if you know JavaScript, you can write Fauna queries like a champ. Here at Fauna, we built a lot of our front end with Vite, and we love it. And we love the philosophy of Vite. It's simple yet powerful. And we're trying to bring that philosophy of simplicity and power into the database world. That's enough of me talking. Now let's go ahead and build something with Vite and Fauna. From the terminal, I'm going to create a new Vite project. And I'm going to select React as my framework of choice. We will change directory to the newly created project. Next, we install the Fauna package by running npm I fauna-save. Next, we're going to go to our app.tsx file and replace this boilerplate code with a simple form. This is a very simple form that has a text area and a submit button. Here we have a use state and a handle function to manage the state of the form. And on form submit, the handle submit function will execute. Let's plug in Fauna so a new record gets created every time we submit the form. We're going to import client and FQL from Fauna. Next, we're going to initiate a new Fauna client with the Fauna secret. Now on handle submit, we're going to do client.query and then we're going to write FQL. And inside this FQL block, we're going to write our Fauna query. And I'm going to say post.create and I'm going to pass in the content. Notice that the Fauna query is almost identical to JavaScript. It is a fully featured programming language with a JavaScript-like syntax. You can learn more about Fauna query language in our documentation site. Thank you very much for watching. We love working with Vite and Fauna, and I'm pretty sure you'll love it too.